I'm going to paint these manifolds with this VHT Flame Proof paint. Now, this is specifically designed for exhaust components like manifolds, headers, turbo downpipes, or pretty much anything that sees a lot of heat. It's designed to handle that high temperature that exhaust sees. Once it's coated, though, you do have to follow the curing procedure with VHT, and there's instructions on the back. You want to heat the item up for about 10 minutes, and then let it cool down, heat it up for 20 minutes, let it cool down. That helps basically bake the paint onto the exhaust item. This will basically prevent these exhaust manifolds from rusting, and it'll just keep it looking good underneath the hood. If you wanted to dress it up even further underneath the hood, Dupli-Color has a full range of engine enamel. Now, this paint is specifically designed to paint under the hood engine components and engine blocks, so it can handle the heat as well as the chemicals that are underneath the hood. They have them in 34 different colors. I had them send me some of this Hemi orange because I may just do a couple touch-ups on the block here and there because, you know, Hemi orange, it's got to happen. And basically, so if you wanted to make the truck look even fancier, you can go ahead and coat the block like that. To start with right now, I'm going to go ahead and just spray these with the flat black and then bolt them on the motor. First step is to clean any of oils or impurities off the cast. I'm using this Dupli-Color foaming prep spray. I'm just going to spray it on there and then wipe it off. So we're gonna apply 2 light coats and 1 medium coat. You wanna apply all those coats within 1 hour and give yourself about 10 minutes between each coat.